Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a +5 lightning-scaled weapon or high faith, and the correct area unlocked. Once confirmed, head directly to the location associated with the Lightning Clutch Ring in Dark Souls 2. Make sure you have purging stones and resins ready to manipulate enemy drops and resist curse mechanics. Move steadily, avoid unnecessary detours, because the spawn path requires clearing specific enemies. You're setting conditions that force the ring to appear as a guaranteed or higher chance drop later in the run. Once in the zone, execute the farming loop that triggers the Lightning Clutch Ring drop. Clear enemies in the exact order to activate the spawn, and don't skip the mini-boss or chest that gates the item. If initial runs fail, use a bonfire ascetic to reset enemy tiers and improve drop probability. Alternatively, reset the area by quitting to menu. Make sure to equip Covetous Silver Serpent Ring to raise item discovery. This directly increases your effective chance per kill, shortening the grind. Finish by methodically checking the precise spawn points. Loot every corpse, open related chests, and kill the mini-bosses after each reset. If the ring still doesn't drop, raise your item discovery to 300+ via stacking rings and gear, or change NG cycle with an ascetic. If things go wrong, don't panic, quit and reload to preserve progress, then repeat the exact spawn sequence. This fix resolves most issues caused by missed triggers or accidental enemy resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.